Hello everyone. Welcome to Topic of the Day. My name is Kritika. Today we will discuss the Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021. Now recently the Parliament has passed the Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021 that seeks to amend the law relating to elections. Let's discuss on some of the key features of the bill. The purpose of this bill is to link the electoral rolls with the Aadhaar ecosystem. Some of the major clauses of this bill are linking Aadhaar to the voter ID. Now, this bill allows electoral registration officers to ask for Aadhaar numbers from the persons already included in the electoral roll, and this is just for the purpose of authentication. Secondly, voluntarily link Aadhaar data to electoral rolls. That is, no application for inclusion of name in the electoral roll shall be denied without furnishing the Aadhaar number, or some other documents as well can be used. Now, this law also promotes gender neutrality as it replaces the word wife to spouse to make the laws gender neutral. Also, there has been an amendment to revise the qualifying dates for electoral rolls in the Representation of People Act 1950, and it has changed from 1 per year to 4 per year. That is on 1st of January, 1st of April, July 1st, and October the 1st. Let's talk about the significance of this bill. It will create an effective electoral database management, which can solve the issue of multiple enrollments of the same person at different places. This will also clean up electoral rolls, that is, non citizens can be excluded and the duplication can be avoided throughout. Thereby, it will put a huge check on bogus voting. Now, let's discuss some of the major concerns involved with this bill. Firstly, and most importantly, it violates the individual privacy by mandating the linking of Aadhaar details with the voter identity cards. Also, it goes against the Supreme Court judgment that limits the use of Aadhaar to financial and welfare benefits. It can also cause large-scale deletion of names for the people who are citizens of India but not enrolled in the Aadhaar ecosystem. Also, the Election Commission of India has no control over either the enrollment or duplication in Aadhaar. It can also suppress people's right to exercise franchisee freely, especially in the case of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Lastly, as we know that Aadhaar is meant for the residents of India and all the residents are not Indians. Therefore, this bill is discouraged as it is giving voting rights to the non-citizens as well. Now, what can be the possible way ahead to these concerns in the bill? You can write your thoughts in the comment section below. Firstly, we have to make changes to maintain the privacy and keep up with the integrity of electoral rules. For that, a comprehensive law is needed, but only after a thorough discussion with all the stakeholders. Now let us take up a practice question on this topic. Consider the following statements with reference to the Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021. First, it aims at linking Aadhaar to the voter ID. Second, people would be debarred from voting if they do not link the Aadhaar within 6 months from the effective date. And third, it would amend the Representation of People's Act 1950 and 1951. You have to choose the correct statements. You can write your answers in the comment section. So the correct answer is C. That is, only the first and third statements are correct. There is no provision of the government that you have to link the Aadhaar within 6 months. Therefore, statement number 2 is wrong. So this was all from our side. For regular updates, you can follow us on our social media handles. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the Next IAS YouTube channel.